Hello everybody, we are outdoor and welcome to this review of 3 Volkswagen Beetle from RMZ City. Now let's look at the view. We are high up above. This is the sea. They are doing some land reclamation. You can see the traffic below. The wind is very strong. I hope you can hear clearly. There appears to be building some sort of bridge over there. Swing bridge. I think so. And we are in a multi-story car park. And let's start with the review. Now these are 132 scale. First let's look at the loose one. This yellow yellow color, so it looks like the Volkswagen from the Bumblebee show, Transformers. Doors can be open and you can see the interior. It has steering wheels, the old style steering wheel with the horn. This is a pullback version. And the nice thing is the door opens together with the frame and the side mirror, so it's good. And you have the side step here. So this is the yellow one. Now let's look at the red one. I will have to put the box on the floor, otherwise it blows away. Now because we are outdoor, I'm not going to remove it from the base. We are going to have a look just like that. This is the red one, shining metallic red, very nice, same like the yellow one. Opening doors as well, same interior. Very nice. Now let's have a look at the black one. This is a bit different because this is the matte series and I haven't opened this box yet, so we will open. First we have to view the tape carefully, otherwise I destroy the box. Right, now this is matte color. Let me put the box on the floor. Matte color, so it's not shining, but the interior and the rest is the same. Now black color, so it looks like the Volkswagen Beetle from the Second World War. The German military used a lot of this in the Second World War as their personal car, and it's black. Let me remove this so we can have a look at the other side. There it is. Black color. Now this Volkswagen Beetle, designed by Dr. Ferdinand Porsche, who went on to create a lot of nice Porsche cars, and this design is quite contemporary even until today. Beetle. I hope you like this outdoor unboxing. Comment down below if you would like to see more outdoor unboxing or you prefer indoor. Maybe one day I'll do it by the beach, by the sea. Hopefully it's not too noisy. Thank you for watching. Bye.